Hello, good day. I'm Emiliana Camero, 38 of age, married, mother of two. I have one brother and two sisters. Currently in the Philippines, my working experience is finished contract in Saudi Arabia, working for 7 members of the family. My main duties is cooking, ironing, washing, car washing, that's all. Then my second experience is in Singapore for 8 years and 2 months, taking care of elderly and one pet. So my main duties is uh, cooking, ironing, taking care of the pet, then taking care of the medicine of the elderly. Uh, for my future employer, I hope you can hire me and willing to learn more and looking forward for a long-term contract with you.